So, ayan guys, bago tayo punta na Nami Island, we're just gonna go eat first. Okay?
By myself.
No, I think they cook.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think they cook.
Yeah.
Different. That's big, huh? That's fried rice? Too many.
Small.
Ayan. So, we're group actually. Pero, because wala, ako lang mag-isa. So, I have Luis,
Yeah.
Luis also traveling in South Korea. So, we are together in one table. Yeah. We both share.
You take a bite to your video or your...
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So good.
There you go. Luto na ang ating chicken. I don't know what is this, but it's good though. Okay. Ayan. So, dito tayo sasakay. Ito yung ferry natin. Papuntang Nami Island. Ano yung dinaanan ko? Wow. I think dito pwede itong ano, yung pwede kang mag-jumping dyan. Jumping dito sa ano na to. Oh, yan o. Bungee jump. Bungee jump. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna do that at all. Saan ba? Mali naman. Yan, pwede ka rin mag-zipline papunta dun sa island. Ang tawag nila zipwire. Zipwire Isle. Zipwire Skyline. Nako, hindi ko ata kaya yun. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stay sa ferry. Yan, pwede ko rin mag zip wire going to the island if you want. Para siyang zip line. But you have to pay it on your own. I don't know how. Oh, sabi niya 50,000 won. So, yung ferry kasi is 15,000. No, 30,000 won. Yan, pero mas mabilis to if you wanna do like a zip wire. Ayan. Or di ko kaya yun. So, we're just gonna go to here. Ayan. As what I said, kasama na yung binayaran natin doon sa tour. Yung ticket mo papunta dito sa Nami Island. Kasama na yung ticket para sa ferry. So, you don't have to buy the ticket. Ayan. Okay, let me just show my ticket to them. I'll be right back. 안녕하세요. Philippines. Hello. Oh, thank you. Bye bye. She's so very nice. Ayan. Ayan, papunta na tayo. Ito na ang river line. Ang daming tao, no?